Here's another CPA exam tip. Tips for memorization and understanding of the material. What I like to suggest is create your own flashcards, because what you'll do is you'll write down that key information, and just by preparing those cards, you'll learn it by putting the information on that piece of paper. Also, set up a couple of pages of your outline memory aids or mnemonics. I have those in my books, but I also suggest that you put them on a separate piece of paper, so that way just before the exam you're looking them over, so it's the last thing you see. So whether it's financial accounting, is it an operating lease or a capital lease, TT, BPO, 75 or 9D, or let's say for example it is regulation for tax. How do you know if someone is a dependent? See the IRS jack you, citizen, income, relationship, support, no joint tax return. If it's auditing, ARCC and RIIO, authorization, recording, custody, comparison. He built an ARCC and he sailed where? To RIIO, reperformance, inquiry, inspection, observation. These memory aids or mnemonics are what are going to make the difference, and they're going to carry you through the exam. Another thing you can do is, as you're studying, if you want to make your own audio cassettes and read into an audio, that way when you're driving you can kind of listen to them, but be careful because you might put yourself to sleep. The other thing too I like to say is create your own study guide. Take my notes or whatever study notes you're using and again summarize them. So not only creating, for example, a page of mnemonics, but also creating a page of all your outline summary notes so you can be reviewing those a couple of days before the exam. Remember this for studying and in life. The more senses you use, the better off you are in remembering it. If you see it, you read it, you hear it, you say it, then you're going to remember it. That's what it's going to take to pass the CPA exam, and that's my CPA exam tip.